Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today we are going to be making sautéed zucchini with herbs and balsamic vinegar. This dish is full of flavor and it's made with simple ingredients. You will need some garlic, some thyme, rosemary, and olive oil, and of course, balsamic vinegar. And this quick and easy dish would be perfect with any meal. First, you'll need to prep your ingredients. You will need to dice 2 garlic cloves. You'll need rosemary and thyme, and 1 zucchini diced. And get your olive oil ready and your balsamic vinegar. First, you'll want to drizzle in some olive oil into a saute pan and have it on medium to high heat. Next, sprinkle in your diced garlic. And then sprinkle in your rosemary. And then sprinkle in your diced zucchini. You'll want to saute your zucchini on medium to high heat for a couple minutes. Next, you'll want to sprinkle in some salt and pepper to season your zucchini. And now drizzle in some balsamic vinegar. And then add in a couple sprigs of thyme. And that's it. This simple, healthy recipe is ready to eat. And the zucchini is cooked perfectly. It's not soggy. It's got a nice, crisp crunch. And now dish it up and serve it with a couple sprigs of thyme, and this dish looks delicious and it's beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this easy, healthy recipe. And if you're growing zucchini in the garden, you'll need another recipe. Thanks for watching.